Yeah, man. I'm gonna show you a little something. A little Power Commander Tech 101. You see this little thing right here? Current map. For all y'all dudes running nitrous, you wanna make sure your map relay is working right. Cut your fuel pump on. And whenever you cut it on, while the fuel pump's running, twist the throttle. See that? Now, fuel pump quit running. It's still on 2. Cut the bike off, cut it back on. Fuel pump running, go back to 1, because you ain't holding the throttle. Fuel pump running, hold the throttle, it'll do your map switch. That's how you know if your shit's switching over to the second map, so you don't blow your shit up on nitrous. That's just game 101. The shit should be sold, not told, but I figured I'd help some of y'all little goo-goo face looking motherfuckers out, your old musty son bitches.